that structure says ay may consolidating. Di ba? Si Fibo kasi is using a high-low scenario. Ito si Fibo eh. Hinahanap niya yung retracement level mo. So for particular case like EuroCAD, hindi mo siya basta-basta gagamitin. Kaya ginamit ko to as a example. Kasi kung maghahanap ka ng Fibo, wala kang makikita. Diba? Wala kang makikita. Oh. Diba? Wala kang masyadong makikita. Kahit tumodo ka pa. Oh, probably ito siguro, pero hindi naman, oh yan, super. Wala kang makikita kasi the market is in ranging. Okay, structure is in ranging. So use only Fibonacci if you see a high-low trend and up. Breathe in, breathe out trend. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Then you use your Fibo. Makuha mo yung mga retracement level niyan. Kasi there is a high-low. So, ibig sabihin, Fibonacci can be used as a support and a resistance.
Yep.
Okay?